Now we are going to see section formula, external division. If the point P xy divides the line joining the point A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, the ratio m is to n externally, then x is equal to m x2 minus n x1 by m minus n, and y is equal to m y2 minus n y1 by m minus n. So to find the coordinate of a point which divides the line joining two given points externally in the given ratio. If the point Px, y divides the line joining the points A x1, y1 and B x2, y2, the ratio m is to n externally, then x is equal to m x2 minus n x1 by m minus n, and y is equal to m y2 minus n y1 by m minus n. Consider Ox and Oy with the x and y axis respectively. First we draw y axis, then x axis. Given point A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, join A and B. Also the point P x, y divides the line joining the points A x1 y1 B x2 y2 in the ratio m is to n, right? P x y, external division, right? That is why the point is in the external, not in between A and B, right? So that is AP m and BP n. Clearly the point P x, y lies on AB. So draw AL perpendicular to OX, BM perpendicular to OX, then PN perpendicular to OX. The line AL, BM, PN are parallel lines. AL is nothing but the y coordinate of A, that is y1, and BM is the y coordinate of B, that is y2, and Pn is the y coordinate of P, that is y. Similarly, OL is the x coordinate of A, x1, and OM is the x coordinate of B, that is x2, and ON is the x coordinate of P, that is x. Draw AR perpendicular to PN, AR perpendicular to PN, BS perpendicular to PN, right? Yes. Now Rn is the length Rn is equal to AL, that is nothing but y1, and the length Sn, which is equal to the length Bm, both are equal, which is equal to y2. Now AR, which is equal to length AR, which is equal to Ln. Ln can be written as OL minus ON, that is x1 minus x. Everything marked in the diagram. You can easily find out the values. That is equation number 1. Bs, which is equal to Mn, which is equal to Om minus On, which is equal to x2 minus x. That is equation number 2. Now Pr, which is equal to Pn minus Rn, which is equal to y minus y1. That is equation number 3. Now Ps, which is equal to Pn minus Sn, which is equal to y minus y2. That is equation number 4. Consider the right angle triangles, triangle APR and BPS are similar, AAA similarity, because the angle R and S, which is equal to 90 degree right angle. BP is transversal line, cuts the line BM and AL. So angle PAR, which is equal to angle PBS, corresponding angles, and angle P is same for the both the triangles, right? Then since corresponding sides of the similar triangles are proportional, so using the idea of similar triangle property, so we will get AR by BS, which is equal to PR by PS, which is equal to AP by PP. So we are considering the first and last equality, AR by BS, which is equal to AP by PB, right? So AR we know x1 minus x, and BS, which is equal to x2 minus x, equation 1 and 2, which is equal to AP is the length m, and PB, which is equal to m by n, by using 1 and 2. So cross multiplying, nx1 minus nx, which is equal to mx2 minus mx, right? So grouping x on one side, so we will get mx, right, we are taking minus mx to the left hand side, so mx minus nx, which is equal to mx2 taking nx1 to the right hand side minus nx1. So x is common in the left hand side, so m minus n into x, which is equal to mx2 minus nx1. Therefore x is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, right. Now consider the other two equalities, PR by PS, which is equal to AP by PB. That is y minus y1 by y minus y2, which is equal to m by n, by using 3 and 4. Cross multiplying n y minus n y1, which is equal to multiplying each and every term, right, my minus my2. So grouping y on one side, so my minus ny, we are taking that ny to the right hand side, so plus ny becomes minus ny, and we are taking my2 to the left hand side, minus my2 become plus my2. So in left hand side y is common, take it outside, m minus n into y, which is equal to my2 minus ny1. Therefore y is equal to my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Therefore the coordinate of the point pxy, which divides the point AB, the line AB externally, right, which is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. If it is internally, in between we are having plus only, right, all terms are plus, that is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. If it is external division, just replace plus by minus, you will get the formula. Thanks.